to Chernivtsi. It's a border town in Ukraine. So from there, we didn't know which border we were taking. We just arranged a bus from our we asked an agent to arrange a bus. So then from Chernivtsi we went to the Romanian border. So it was the Siret border, the Prabune-Siret border. I think that's the. Okay. So from there we had to walk by foot towards the border post. Then we had to cross it on our own. Like there were no government officials; they were just Ukrainian army officers. So then after crossing, we had to go through immigration at the border, at the Romanian border. Then we were after crossing the border, then we were transported to a shelter in Romania. Then we were like there were two shelters, so there were a lot of Indian students. We couldn't all go at once, so we had to stay in a shelter for 2 days. Then the Indian government facilitated like they arranged a flight for us from Bucharest, that is the capital, and from there we came to Mumbai. And from Mumbai we had I was arranged a flight to come to Mangalore.
ಹುಡುಗರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸಂತೋಷ ರೀಬರ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇವರು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಿ ರೈಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಡ್. Try to talk to your friends, give them the courage that the government is behind them. That courage is what is required. In fact, yesterday was a traumatic experience that you'll have to walk. Many of them had to walk some 22 kilometers yesterday after Kyiv.